change the order of integration of the problem and write in a single integral. So we see the integral, double integral of this function over the domain D. So as you see, the domain D has two portions in here. So you can say domain D is actually D1 plus D2. So if you look at the first one, you have y limit goes from 0 to 7. And then next, y limit goes from 7 to 8 here. Now what happens to x limit? So x goes from 0 to y over 7. So that means x is lesser or equals y over 7, greater or equals 0. From here, we can easily see that x is y over 7. So then y equals 7x, right? That we can easily see. Okay, so our first one goes now y equals 7x, some line like this. And this is intersecting here too. All right, so this is going for my D1 domain. Now next one is going 7 to 8 and then goes from 0 to 8 minus y. So that means x equals 8 minus y. So from here you can say y equals 8 minus x, right? So this one also, if you draw, then you'll see that it will go like this. So this is my second domain here, D2. Okay, so now let me write more clear way that D1 limit gives me like 0 lesser or equals y lesser or equals 7, as you see there on dy. And then x limit is going from 0 to y over 7, right? This is the idea here. And then my D2 limit, second one, gives me 7 lesser or equals y lesser or equals 8. And then x is giving me 0 to 8 minus y, isn't it? So now look at carefully. So as you see here, y equals 8 minus x and y equals 7x. So we can say 7x equals 8 minus x. So that gives me 8x equals 8. So x equals 1. So you can see x equals 1 here. All right. So we have everything in our hand. So let me refresh my picture. So in the picture, I see now my x limit goes from 0 to 1. So I can write here 0 to 1. And what happens to y? So this is the y limit. So on this line, we know it is y is equals 7x. And then you write here 7x. And then this one here is, we have seen the equation y equals 8 minus x. So this will be 8 minus x. So we have converted this two double integrals into one, and we are done.